The original tractor tire, which could no longer be used, can be restored to at least 10 more years of life after being refurbished by a skilled Pakistani craftsman using traditional methods. We're currently at a professional tire refurbishment workshop in Karachi, Pakistan. Let's take a look together at how they turn waste into treasure. With the help of a rotating machine, the craftsman uses a specialized tool to remove the worn-out tread from the tire surface. After years of wear and tear, the tire's tread is already in poor condition, significantly reducing its traction on the ground. The tractor's owner isn't wealthy, and replacing the tire would cost 85,000 rupees, so he opted for a repair here. But after the craftsman's refurbishment, the tire is almost as good as new. After grinding the tire tread, the craftsman evenly applies a layer of black vulcanizing agent. This agent reduces the tire rubber's plasticity while enhancing its elasticity. Except for some thermoplastic rubbers, the vulcanizing agent is commonly used in tire repair and for bonding tread patches to the tire surface. The areas treated with the vulcanizing agent see a significant boost in mechanical strength, ensuring that the tread patch sticks more securely and reliably. Once the vulcanizing agent is evenly applied, the craftsman presses a new, thick rubber tread patch onto the tire surface. Although the craftsman charged 2,000 rupees for the refurbishment, they didn't skimp on materials, using only top-quality products and even providing a 2.5-year warranty. After applying the patch, the craftsman presses it down for 56 revolutions with a roller, ensuring that the tire and the rubber patch bond tightly. Once the pressing is complete, the tire is placed into a fixed mold for reinforcement, as the next step involves a high-temperature and high-pressure environment. Without proper fixation, the tire might come out in a pentagonal or hexagonal shape. After securing it, two craftsmen lift the tire into the press mold. The rubber patch bonds and forms the tire's tread pattern through high temperature and high pressure processing. After 3 hours of high heat and pressure, the tire's shape is finally formed. As you can see, the tire that comes from the machine looks new. It's impressive how skilled these Pakistani craftsmen are at refurbishment. So, what score would you give to the refurbished tire by these Pakistani craftsmen?